From looking like this to looking like this, a 15-year-old Mercedes. My wife pressured me to sell it and switch to a Xiaomi because of overdue payments. I told my wife, let's just change the lights. But I insisted on spending tens of thousands to refurbish it from this into this. Do you think my wife will still scold me? As usual, let's get started. First, strip the car down so much even my wife wouldn't recognize it. Stripped down to this state. Will this be a surprise or a shock for my wife? Let's keep watching. The interior is already dismantled like that. The engine and chassis can't be spared either. Engine detailing. The rear axle is small. Even the fuel tank needs a full restoration. Start with removing the front and rear axles. Disassembly complete. All of these will undergo full refurbishment. Sandblasting thoroughly. No residue left. Anti-rust coating apply. Solid protection. Acid wash soak, like giving it the bath. All rust and grime completely removed. Let's look at the before and after rust removal. Chassis parts ready. Start assembling the front and rear axles. Everything neatly arranged and installed. Clear before and after comparison. That was a moldy carpet. Deep sterilization fixes it. All plastic parts are thoroughly cleaned. The fuel tank also gets a full restoration. Before and after comparison. Full car repaint using imported German water-based silver paint. Only quality materials give good results, done as a dedicated rebuild. Quality only. Since the car is completely stripped, soundproofing is easy to add along the way. After cleaning the chassis, apply underbody coating. Before and after comparison of the coating. After reinstalling the refurbished heat shields, it's time for final assembly. The refurbished engine goes back in. Restoration complete. Time to admire it. Do you think I'll get in trouble when I drive it home?